Hi, I'm Stijn from PROCAB and I'm here to introduce to you the new cable products that we will bring to ISE 2026. We have a number of new products what we would like to introduce, and they are ranging from USB Type-C cables in active copper cables up to USB Type-C cables into active optical cables, and then we also have an extended range of HDMI cables, and at last we have an increased range of structured installation loudspeaker cables. So the first product I would like to introduce to you is the CSD 640. These are coaxial, microcoaxial USB Type-C cables with a length up to 5 meters. The microcoaxial cable construction gives optimal performance up to 5 meters with a signal transmission capability up to 20 gigabit and a power delivery up to 100 watt. The cable construction is made out of TPE materials, which is very flexible and environmental friendly material. And this cable is also fully bidirectional, which makes it possible for just plug in any kind of configuration or any kind of device. The second product what I would like to introduce to you is the CSD 645. Similar to the CSD 640, this one uses microcoaxial conductors with silver-plated conductors. Also similar is the TPE outer jacket, which is highly flexible and environmental friendly. But on top of that, we added here an active retimer chipset, which is integrated in the connector. You can see here the connector is with an aluminum connector shell, which is highly durable and which actually integrates the chipset actively, which makes sure that it is compatible with the most variety of devices available in the market. This way, in these two different configurations, the CSD 640 and CSD 645 can be used in a wide variety of configurations, ranging from meeting rooms, conference rooms, classrooms, anything, any kind of applications where you want to connect displays with computers, with smart boards and such on, for distances up to 5 meters. The next thing what I would like to introduce to you at this ISE show are the extended range of HDMI cables. We extended the current range of HDMI cables with the extended lengths and new configurations for the copper cables. We now have the CSV 210 and CSV 310 in the range. They both come in lengths from half a meter up to 10 meters, while the CSV 210 is capable of resolutions for 4K up to 60 Hz, while the 310 is capable of resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz. The different configurations for different lengths allow the shorter lengths to be very slimline and very thin, which allows them to be very flexible and easy to integrate with all different kinds of applications, while the longer lengths have increased copper sections, while they can still guarantee reliable signal transmission and accuracy. Additionally to this series, we also have the CSV 220 and the CSV 320 in the range. Practical wise, they cover the same specifications, but they are using higher copper gauges with a higher conductor thickness. The difference here is that in combinations where active optical cables are connected with copper cables, they can have a higher accuracy and higher signal integrity and reliability for the connected devices. In addition to these connection cables, we added to the range also several structural audio cables. We extended the range of CLS connection cables with new configurations of the CLS speaker cables up to CPR certification class B2CA. The class B2CA allows them to be used in all different kinds of speaker systems, including even the largest distributed audio systems. They come in different configurations, starting from 2 conductor up to 1.5 square millimeters, up to 4 conductor up to 2.5 and even 4 square millimeters. The difference of these cables compared with the earlier available cables is that we allowed to reduce the cable outer jacket and the cable jacket materials. This means that we were able to have a higher fire performance specifications, but also lower the cost of the cables to be more competitive in the market with other manufacturers. If you would like to discover all these new products and discover them by your own hands and see them, please visit us at ISE 2026, and then you can have a look at all these new developments in our range. Thanks for watching.